we always prepare ourselves each game the same way. So this game is not any different than other games.
Dari Coach Ian Paul menyatakan bahwasannya kita selalu mempersiapkan game dengan hal yang sama begitu, dan dengan game ini juga tidak ada yang berbeda gitu.
Okay, same question for Ramazo.
Very good. We are ready for big derby to get point.
Oke, rekan-rekan silakan kalau ada yang ingin bertanya, sebutkan nama dan asal media sebelum saya beri kesempatan untuk bertanya.
Yeah, when we are two Dutch coaches living so close together or nearby, at a certain time is that you meet each other. So Peter came to my house in Jogja, and we had a pleasant evening talking about the football, obviously, and also about his personal life, what he in his career, what his past was, and what his future will bring. And yeah, unfortunately, he got fired before this game. It's always with any colleague. It's always. I'm not so happy when colleagues are getting sacked, because we know every coach is really working hard to try to get results, and they put a lot of effort and energy in the team and in the club. So when it doesn't work, it always makes me a little bit sad, because I know the job is 24/7. But yeah, but it's also a part of our job. That is basically you get hired to be fired.
Dari Coach Ian Paul menyatakan bahwasannya apabila kita mempunyai kolega begitu, dua orang berasal dari negara yang sama dan hidup di kota yang berdekat itu, maka sewajarnya kita bertemu dan bercengkrama, dan saya undang Peter ke rumah saya, dan kita makan malam dan berbicara soal sepak bola, berbicara soal karir di musim kemarin hingga ke depannya begitu. Selalu sangat sedih begitu ya mendengar bagaimana kolega Anda dirumahkan begitu, dan ya ini soal pekerjaan, karena pekerjaannya berat, 24/7, dan terkadang ketika kita mendapatkan pekerjaan di situ juga ada resiko untuk dirumahkan begitu.
Oke, silakan ada lagi pertanyaan, monggo.
Do you have any strategy for defending the big body striker?
Well, it depends a little bit on the game, how the game is turning out. Yeah, big strikers is, I think, for any defender it's hard, because if you have a physical opponent which is strong, when he's quick, yeah, it's difficult to defend. So it's important that we cooperate as a team, and not only, for example, the centre backs who are covering the big strikers. So it's more a team issue than for my defenders particularly.
Dari Coach Ian Paul menyatakan bahwasanya tergantung begitu jalannya pertandingan nanti bagaimana. Memang sebagai pemain bertahan itu sulit menghadapi striker dengan fisik yang tinggi dan dia besar begitu ya. Fisiknya bagus, secara speed juga bagus, dan itu kita tekankan bahwasanya itu bukan soal individu begitu, itu soal tim, bagaimana satu sama lain saling membantu ketika bertahan gitu.
Persib when playing home in second half 15 minutes they make score goal. What do you think?
Sorry, I don't.
They only make score in the second half. What do you?
15 minutes.
Persis.
Yeah.
Persis will play in home.
Yeah.
They will make a score in the second half. What do you think?
Do they score in the second half? Are you sure?
15 minutes was in second half.
They're gonna score.
Yeah. In home match.
Oh, well, I don't hope so.
Ada lagi mungkin? Coach, maybe last question coming from the journalist that cannot attend the press con. You know, in the previous meeting in pre-match half season, pre-season, PSIM and Persis met, and then Persis can win 1-0 in the Bantul Stadium. Do you think that it's gonna be similar, or do you think that it's gonna be different because it's derby and it's you know, there's a pressure from supporter in Solo? Yeah.
Yeah, well, the preseason for us, for me, the preseason was important because I didn't pick the squad, so I need to learn the players. So I have to give every player the chance to show themselves, and I have to see for myself which players are connecting the best, so I can form the best team. So I heard that the prediction was that I was the first coach to be sacked because our preseason was if you look at the results, was not so good. But yeah, that's how it works, because what I said, I have to give everyone a chance. So also that game, I think Solo was playing very well in this game. But for me, the results in preseason are not that important. For me, it's how to form a team to get my players ready, that everybody understands what my principles are, and so preseason is important, but also not that important if you look at the results.
Dari Coach Jean Paul menyatakan bahwasannya di preseason itu sangat penting bagi tim gitu ya, dan terutama bagi Coach Jean Paul pada saat itu Coach Jean Paul belum menentukan siapa pemainnya begitu, dan memberikan semua kesempatan kepada pemain untuk menunjukkan bagaimana kualitasnya dan mempelajari bagaimana setiap individu di timnya. Lalu bahkan sebelum liga dimulai, Coach Jean Paul diprediksi bahwasannya head coach pertama yang akan dirumahkan begitu karena hasil rentetan buruk di preseason. Namun bagi Coach Jean Paul, preseason itu penting, tapi tidak begitu penting bagaimana hasil yang didapatkan ketika preseason begitu.
Oke, ada lagi? Saya kira cukup. Terima kasih. Sampai ketemu di sesi official training. Selamat sore. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.